A CV, short for the Latin phrase curriculum vitae, which means course of life, is a detailed document highlighting your professional and academic history. A CV is generally used when applying for a position in academia, while a resume is generally used when applying for a position in industry, non-profit, and public sector. CVs typically include information like work experience, achievements and awards, scholarships or grants you have earned, coursework, research projects, and publications of your work. Perhaps the most crucial part in any academic application process is writing an academic curriculum vitae that highlights your achievements and shows that you would be an asset to any educational institution you are looking to join. A good academic CV should include the following sections from top to bottom: contact information, research objective or personal profile, education, professional appointments, publications, awards and honors, grants and fellowships, conferences, teaching experience, research experience, additional activities, languages and skills, references. While writing a CV, you should keep these points in mind. Avoid casual language or slang terms. CVs are formal documents and should be treated as such, even if the employer in question thinks of themselves as funky. Proofread your CV for typos and spelling mistakes. Even brilliant essay writers at university make errors of this type, so check and double check before sending it off. Do not include information on your CV that has already gone on an application form. Either cut your CV accordingly or include extra information you would otherwise had to leave out. A little work experience goes a long way when applying for your first job after graduating, so don't be embarrassed to mention things you have done in past. Nearly all students have to earn as they learn these days, and employers understand that.